Hello all my fine foodie friends, my name is Adam, and today I'm taking you on an adventure. Each week, actually, I'm going to take you on an adventure. I'm going to show you a different dish from around the world and how you can make it at home. This is Bring Home the Flavour. Our first dish in question is the Philly Cheesesteak. Now, the Philly Cheesesteak was created in the early 20th century, in the 1930s, by Pat and Harry Oliveri. They owned a hot dog stand, but one day decided that they wanted to make a sandwich with beef and onions. Well, a cab driver got a whiff of this, and then the rest is history. The Philly cheesesteak consists of a chopped or sliced ribeye, or top round, on an Amoroso roll with provolone or cheese, or cheese spread. Now, there's been debate on the whole thing because the original never even had cheese to begin with. So some people prefer to use American cheese. I, on the other hand, use sharp cheddar because it's all I had available. I also only used top sirloin, and I roasted the top sirloin instead of cutting it up and cooking it on a grill. It was more so a pulled pork way of doing it, but with beef, so it's like a pulled beef Philly cheesesteak. Now, some might argue that that's not a cheesesteak, but I'd like to see what you think in the comments below. Like, is it a cheesesteak? Is it not a cheesesteak? Anyway, here's the process. Here we go, it's time to make some Philly cheesesteak. Place the beef in your pan, just like jimmy it around until you get it in there. Looks like that. Throw in some onions, add some bay leaf, sprinkle on all your spices, your pepper, salt, onion powder. The list is all in the description below. And add some stock. Pour on a little olive oil, wrap it up, pop it in the oven at 350 for 4 hours. Now we're going to chop up some onions and peppers, slice them all up, and once the beef is out of the oven, we'll pull it apart. We want to reserve the stock from the pan and pour a little bit on the beef, just to give it that nice juiciness. Okay, now we'll heat up a pan with olive oil, throw in the peppers and onions, cook them up until they're soft, add the bit of stock at the end, and season with salt and pepper. Now we're going to assemble, put all the pieces together. Pop it in the oven just to melt the cheese a little bit more. And there you go, you can pour a little more of the reserve on and enjoy it. There you have it. That is my Philly cheesesteak. When I get home, I'm going to get the Amoroso roll. I will get the ribeye or the top round, and I will get provolone cheese, and we can make it that way, and then I can see whether the original is the better or the newer version of it, because there's so many different variations of the thing, because that's how food works. Please subscribe to my channel, and you'll get more great recipes like this through every week. Buy my cookbook. It's only $2.50 Canadian. You can click on a link below. I'll have all the links to all my social media handles down below. So subscribe, click that bell icon for more notifications, and have a Philly good day.